Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well and hope that you had a great start to the new year. Mine was off to a rough start. The sea thing finally caught up with me after 3 years, but it's getting better. Anyway, today I just want to share a quick video with you on these awesome spotlights. I thought I was finished with my bedroom makeover, but when Olafus reached out to me and I reviewed their product page, I thought what a wonderful way to highlight my DIY wall art. So again, this video is sponsored by Olafus. They carry many great lighting products and speakers. These lighting products consist of outdoor floodlights, security lights, outdoor motion sensor lights, spotlights such as shown in this video, fairy lights perfect for decor crafts, multicolored floodlights, Bluetooth speakers, and so much more. The pricing is very affordable, and with so many products to choose from, there is definitely something for everyone. Again, I will leave the link to their product page in the description below for you to check them out. Now let's check these spotlights out that I requested. There are 2 in this box and each comes with its own remote. These lights are so versatile, they can be practically put anywhere. Think inside of a closet or a bookshelf, or they can be used as under cabinet lighting. I thought they were perfect for highlighting a piece of art since the lights are flexible and you can shine them directly onto your art piece as you see fit. You can either mount it with the self-adhesive tape that is already attached or use the provided screws. Since these lights operate off of 3 AA batteries, you are not bound by outlets and there are no unsightly cords to deal with, so you can place these anywhere. These are really bright, but the intensity level can be adjusted as well. You can either turn them on and off with a push button on the side. Naturally, the remote is much more convenient, especially if the light is hung higher up. Just remove the little plastic tab on the remote and it will allow you to adjust the brightness level. And you can even set a timer for 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours. It is a bit difficult to capture the light changes on video, but you get the idea. Here I am just showing you how you can adjust the position of each individual light head. The units come with provided screws. However, since I was mounting my lights on the textured ceiling, I needed to use my own longer screws. The tape is best when used on a flat and smooth surface. So my sweet husband helped me out and mounted them for me. I am really happy with the end result. I did not want to spend another almost $40 for a picture light, so these were perfect. I want to thank Olafus again for sponsoring this video, and I hope this video gave you some inspiration to use them in your own home or any of the other products they offer. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you missed the whole Super Glam Master Bedroom Makeover, please watch that video next. I will leave the link in the description below. Until next time, stay safe and well. Bye bye.